In this video, I will show you how to change your EBT card pin in California. So first you need to do is just open up any browser and then open up Google, and from there simply search California EBT customer service number. So after this simply open this first website, and then this will display all their contact sports number, such as this first one 8663284212, and the next one is 87732899677. So you can call them on this phone number and then tell them that you want to change your card pin, and then they will help you to change that. So that's how you can change your card pin, EBT card pin in California. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.